Hello, hi viewers. This is Gulam. Today we are going to teach you how to add new plugins in WordPress. Plugin means some additional features in our WordPress website. Let's see how to manage and how to install, delete and install plugins from our local hard disk drive. Let's see how to manage this. First of all, you have to log in your WordPress dashboard. Like this is the main introduction of our dashboard. In this dashboard you can see dashboard, post, media, pages, comments, appearance, plugins. In the plugin section we are going to click on the main plugins. In this section you can see all your pre-installed plugin. You can see on your screen. If we are need an additional plugins, what we can do. First of all, you have to press the add-on button, add new button. After the add new button, you will be see some features plugins. These plugins mostly used in the WordPress website. WordPress recommend you to use these plugins. First of all, we are some popular category available here. Is there we are going to add contact form 7. Install now. 5 million active installation at this time of this here. After the installation you will be redirect to active the contact form. Press the active the contact form. After this the contact form 7 installation successfully. After the installation we can deactivate this, change the setting or remove. After the deactive we will be see the delete button, then we can delete the button. In the contact section you can see the contact options, contact form 7 options you can see on your dashboard. After this you can also search any plugins that are not we are find in the popular section, feature section. You can also search here like the Carsole or slider. Enter the button and press the for search. Smart slider 700,000 active installation. Good slider. After this 800,000 active installation. Many slider you can see on your screen. Okay, in this section we are install first smart slider 3. Install this and then active this slider. This will be installed in your WordPress website. After this we will teach you press the add-on button. In this section we will learn how to installation plugin from your local hard disk drive. Press the upload plugin, press the choose file. In the choose file we have different type of plugins that are already saved in our local hard disk drive. This is Elementor. To press the open, press the install. You can install this from your local hard disk drive. Wait please, the system will working on this. After the installation all plugins are show here in this section. This section also called dashboard section. Wait please. This plugins active installation and press the active plugins. We are going to active the plugins. The Elementor install successfully in our website. Done. After you can see how to install plugins from internet and from local hard disk drive. After this you can how to delete the plugins. Enter the plugin section button. Select the plugin which one you want to delete. Press here and press the delete button, or select the multiple plugins to or bulk action. deactive. First we all need to deactive all plugins, then we can delete the plugins. Again I am going to select some plugins and select the bulk action, press the delete and press the OK button. System will be ask you, are you sure want to delete the plugins? We will be successfully delete the all plugins. And who to delete a single plugins? Select any plugin you want to delete, press the active, and first of all you have to deactive. This WP form is already deactive, just press the delete button. System will be confirm you, are you sure want to delete WP form and its data, press OK. After some time this will be deleted successfully. Please, thanks for your watching. Please subscribe and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for your watching. Thanks for your time.